Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. For this one, we just put number 2 gone here and here. So this one we have number 4. And this is the answer for the question. Question number 2. This one we can put 3 to the power of s, 3 to the power of 2. Similar for this one. Next, we divide by 3 to the power of s because this is about the highest base in here. So, this is negative number 2. So we simplify and we have like this. Because number 3 is bigger than number 2, so as approach to positive infinity, this one you got number 0. And now we have like this. So we calculate this one and we have 81. The next one, when we put number 2 gone here, we can see that this is about fn number 0 and this is approach to number 2 on the right, and this one you got negative infinity. This is the end. Thank you for watching.